ball. Louis, you gonna make your hair blow again? He just put his head down in front of the thing and made his hair blow up. It was hilarious. Louis! Oh, no. Louis! 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 Hey, cutie pie. Okay, can you feel the air? Yeah, ball. You do it to yourself? Did the ball just hit you in the face? Does that feel funny? Is that funny? What you doing? You gotta push the button again, buddy. Push the button. Here, push the button. Go for it. Does that feel good? Crazy boy. What is that? Yeah, it's a ball. You gotta push the button to make the air go, bud. Push the button. What are you doing now, crazy? The air's not over there. Is that a package for Daddy? Where's Kitty? He's been wrestling with the cat lately. Are you wrestling with him? Alright, he's about to do something he's not supposed to. So there you go. We love you. Bye.